With Process Simulate 2606, new features are once again being introduced that make virtual planning and offline programming even more efficient. One particularly interesting new function is the inspection area. It allows inspection applications with robot-mounted cameras to be planned, created, and validated much more easily. The goal is to design, optimize, and verify camera-based inspection processes digitally at an early stage, even before the real system goes into operation. Using a wizard, the application can be created step by step. This makes the entry much easier and helps users reach a working inspection operation faster. Another benefit is the easy creation and editing of detections, meaning detection areas or inspection features. This allows parts or relevant areas to be identified and checked in a targeted way. In addition, there is an automatic preview including the camera view, so it becomes immediately visible how the inspection will later appear from the system's perspective. This saves time, improves transparency, and makes the overall planning process much more practical. The integrated air moves are also very helpful. They make it easier to add robot motions in a clean and efficient way as part of the sequence. Overall, this new function provides a very strong approach for offline programming robotic camera and inspection applications, testing them early, and achieving a smoother commissioning process. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and follow me on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok for more content about Process Simulate and the latest new features.